Modern shower systems today are actually really good. There are some excellent waterproofing systems on the market now for tile showers in wet areas. But here's what most homeowners don't realize. The product alone is not what makes the shower successful. It's the installation. You can take a premium waterproofing system and still end up with mold, leaks, cracked grout, or tile failure if the prep work and installation methods aren't done correctly. A lot of the failures I see aren't because the manufacturer made a bad product. It skipped steps, mixing systems together that weren't designed to work together. Poor thin set coverage, no movement joints, improper waterproofing details around benches, niches, or curbs. And another place homeowners try to save money, grout. If you're spending thousands of dollars on a shower or tile project, don't try to save a couple $100 by using the cheapest grout possible. Modern high-performance grouts are more stain-resistant, more color consistent, and require less maintenance over time. In most cases, they're absolutely worth the upgrade. The biggest thing homeowners need to understand is this: tile is only as good as what's underneath it. The prep work, waterproofing, mortar selection, and installation process matter just as much as the tile you picked out in the showroom. Know what to ask, know who to hire, and know what to do to protect your investment. Home Tile and Stone.